friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I will be making oven roasted Brussels sprouts. So what we need for this easy recipe is Brussels sprouts. They're already washed, and I also need seasonings. I will use salt, pepper, and garlic powder, and olive oil. So I'm going to cut off the ends of the Brussels sprouts and cut each Brussels sprout in half, and I'll put them in another bowl for now. So now I've prepared the Brussels sprouts, so the next step would be to season them. I'm just going to sprinkle them with my seasonings, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And I will drizzle them with olive oil. And now let's toss so it's coated evenly with oil and seasonings. And put the Brussels sprouts on a parchment paper lined baking sheet. Distribute them so they're on a baking sheet in a single layer. And now I will put them in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's put them in the oven. Now the oven is done cooking, so let's take a look at the Brussels sprouts. Look at that, perfectly roasted. They look amazing. Easy roasted Brussels sprouts, so healthy and delicious. Now I will take them out onto a plate. It looks so good. I'm so excited about trying these Brussels sprouts. Now let's try it. Tastes amazing. So soft and delicious, roasted to perfection. Such a deep flavor. You will love these Brussels sprouts. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!